Hi my lovely painty friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a bit of a skull creepy Valentine's Day look that I did. If you want to see how I did it, then stay tuned. So to start off with, I went into, this is the Mayron Brilliant palette and it's all metallic colours, and I went into this bright pink shade which I put all over my face, and then I started to paint on a rib cage with a love heart in the centre. I then went into the Mayron Nuance palette and I went into this dark red and I started to shade around the rib cage, and then I went into Mayron Beach Berry, which is more of a brighter red, and filled in the rest of my body. I added a black outline to all of the rib cage, and I also added white highlights on top and I shaded around it with a black eyeshadow as well. Painted in 2 love hearts around my eyes and an upside down one on my nose as well, and I made the mouth a bit of like a creepy smiley clown mouth. Using a black eyeshadow on a flat brush, I then shaded around the love hearts just to create some definition. I also went around the edges with a white paint to make it look a bit more 3D. I then went into this dark red shade and I used it to shade around my face and create a contour, and then I went into this pastel pink colour and I used that as a highlight on the cheekbones and the chin and also on the chest area. I put some aloe vera gel down as a base onto the love heart eyes, nose, mouth, and also onto the red body, and then I added some red glitter, and then I added some homemade gems to the face and along the rib cage as well. If you want to see how to make these, I will leave a link down below to my tutorial. Okay guys, this is the finished look for my creepy Valentine's skull, which I did obviously for Valentine's Day, just posting it a bit late. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at EmilyJaneFX. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!